Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn the next chapter, food and health. In your previous class, you have already learned what is food, what is nutrients, and what is carbohydrate, what is fat, etc. So, in this lesson, we will learn about food and its component, what is balanced diet, and some diseases. Let's start. Food. Food contains main 5 components which you already know, that are carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Our body needs all these components in adequate amount. That means we need all this portion in adequate amount. If some portion increases and if some portions are decreases, it can harm your health. Okay, the sources and functions of 5 main components of food are listed in this table. Carbohydrate. From which food we get carbohydrate? Bread, rice, wheat, fruits such as mangoes, sugar, potato, corn, etc. What is the function of carbohydrate? It provides energy to our body. Now fats. Fats, we can get fat from meat, oil, butter, cheese, ghee, cream and dry fruits. Dry fruits like almond, cashew, etc. How fats helps us? Its function is to keep our body warm. Proteins. Proteins, we can get proteins from chicken, fish, egg, milk, cheese, pulses and soya beans. It is essential for growth and muscle building. Now just let's come to vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals like iron, calcium, iodine. In this video we didn't get any name of vitamins. Let me tell you. Some vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. We get vitamin D from the sunlight. We get vitamin A from such food like tomato, carrot. We get vitamin C from the sour fruit like lemon, orange, turmeric, sorry, not turmeric, lemon, orange and that food which are sour. Okay, and there are some minerals like iron, calcium, iodine, phosphorus are important minerals required by our body. Fruits and vegetables, we get these vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables, fish, eggs and milk. Now water and rough veg. Along with these five main components of food, our body also needs adequate amount of water. We need 3 liters of water in a day. Rough veg are dietary fiber, you already know. Water acts as medium for transport of nutrients inside our body. It is also allowed food to pass easily through the digestive system. That means water weighs our food and it helps in digestion, in transport, etc. We should drink plenty of water and include foodstuff containing rough veg in our diet. That means we need to take more fiber in our diet. Rough veg is the undigested part of the plant food. Rough veg cannot be digested in our body. It helps in moving the food easily through our digestive system and in proper removal of wastages from our body. It removes. So what is the function of roughages? It move sorry it helps in moving the food easily through our digestive system and it removes the wastages from our body. Atta, the whole wheat flour, oats, dalia, corn and cabbages are some good sources of roughage. So if you don't understand anything, let me know. I will help you. In next date, we will know what is balanced diet. Bye bye.